Namaste. So let us complete the installation of the software, booklet scanning software first. So I will be sharing this link with you all. So this web page's link will be there in the email and as well as in the video which you are seeing right now. So this is the URL. I will be sharing the URL. So once you are there on this page, scroll down. One link is given to directly download the installer. Now, in order to do this, if you do open your computer first, just check how many drives you are having. If only C drive is there, then use either documents or downloads. Do not save the file in the C drive. So right now I am having 2 drives. So I will open the other drive and I'll create a new folder. Okay, so this is the folder what I have created. So here where the download installer link is given, you need to right click on this and click on save link as. I give the same folder in D drive which I have created. So now the installer is downloaded. Now, in case if Python is not installed, now this is going to automatically detect whether Python is there or not. And if Python is not there, it will install Python also. So right now you can see Python is not there. Now the only difference over here, if Python is not there, since it is going to install the Python, we need to rerun the installer once Python is installed, because after that only the environment variables it is going to check. So right now, I assume Python is not installed. So if you double click and run, two ways how this smart security, what we can say, window pops up. One is this, and the other one may be a blue color window, and here it will give a text, okay, open the app, and then you will be able to see the run button over here. So in this PC, it is showing in this particular way. So I just click on run. So backend, in the backend, it will download the entire GitHub repo, and after that it will detect Python. If Python is there, it will start installing all the libraries. If Python is not there, it will install Python. In case Python is not there, it will stop. So now it did detect that Python is not there. So after that, now it is trying to install Python. Once it downloads Python, it will prompt for the admin credentials. If you are the admin, you just need to press yes. So since Python is installed right now, this window will not be having the access to the environment variables. So the software is now going to, the installation is now going to pause over here. I'll just show that particular thing right now. So it did install Python properly. Now Python installation was proper, but since this is the window which was open, so we just need to rerun this thing. So I'll just press any key, or you can close this window. Just rerun the installer. You can press yes, and you can just press enter. So it did detect the Python, and now it is creating a virtual environment, and it will install all the needed libraries and dependencies. So this is first visual indication that the software installation is complete. Now, the second visual indication is on the desktop. We will see this booklet scanner application over here. So I'll just press Control here, just press Control C and press yes and enter to close the launcher. So this is the process to install the software.